My name is Megan Seaman, and I'm a junior computer science major working with Dr. Samuel Griggs. And my U-SOAR project titled Painting AI Pink, Utilizing Artificial Intelligence in Breast Cancer Diagnoses explores AI's potential role in breast cancer detection. And I chose this topic to work on a meaningful project that would also introduce me to a plethora of computer science concepts and processes. The National Breast Cancer Foundation approximates that about 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer, but if detected early, there's about a 99% survival rate. So AI's power to meticulously analyze visual images and detect subtle patterns not always visible to the human eye makes it a really powerful tool for biomedical imaging and early detection. And my project aimed to create a machine learning model that could analyze mammograms for signs of breast cancer, whether that be calcifications, masses, or other structural abnormalities. And this is really important for demonstrating AI's potential role in healthcare, as well as reducing the number of late-stage diagnoses and cancer fatalities. And during the 10 weeks of U-SOAR, I worked to code a series of programs testing various machine learning models. I learned to manipulate datasets through code, as well as the importance of collecting high-quality datasets. And I was also introduced to the basics of machine learning and image processing. And besides the skills and knowledge within my own field, I also benefited from the U-SOAR workshops, which provided valuable insight into concepts such as designing research posters, conducting literature reviews, and hearing from my knowledgeable peers and faculty. After the 10 weeks of U-SOAR, the final model we produced was performing with about a 56% overall accuracy. Specifically, it had a 56% accuracy in identifying non-cancerous images and a 69% accuracy in identifying cancerous ones. And not perfect by any means, but we found with better accuracy and better data sets, AI can be a realistic tool within healthcare. And even after U-SOAR, I've had the privilege to present this project and these same findings at KinberCon, which is Pennsylvania's Digital Inclusion Conference. Before U-SOAR, I had relatively no professional experience, and I had yet to apply my skills to any real-world situations, but because of U-SOAR, my project is now the highlight of my resume, and it shows my ability to apply what I learned in the classroom to real-world problems, preparing me for future internships and careers. U-SOAR also provided me with networking opportunities and increased my LinkedIn presence, and it gave me a newfound sense of confidence in my field. And with that, I'd just like to thank the Office of Student Research, Dr. Hyder, and my mentor, Dr. Griggs, for their continued support that makes opportunities like this accessible for students. And I really believe that opportunities like U-SOAR provide students with hands-on experience in their field, allowing them to work on meaningful projects that also prepare them for future careers.